Hey, your mama on the beat.
Let's go. Brand new Lamborghini, a cop car. With a pistol on my hip like I'm a cop. Have you ever met a real good rock star? This ain't no guitar, it's just a clock.
Hey y'all, it's me Kelci. Welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a quick room tour of my dorm tour for my freshman year of college. So I'm currently in my spring semester. My fall semester of my freshman year I had a different dorm. I had 3 other roommates. I was in a suite style dorm. I didn't get a chance to film a dorm tour last time because like I was just really busy. So but for the spring semester I moved to a different dorm. I got a room to myself. I'm very excited to show y'all this room. I love it. I love it so far. I've been here for like 5 days now. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this video. So this is what you see when you first walk in. Down here I just have my bag for when I go home on the weekends. And right here is my bathroom. I have some lights around my door that like they're brighter when it's dark, but yeah. And then here's my mirror. I have this behind my bathroom door. So I'm gonna show y'all my bathroom first since it's right here. Okay, so this is my bathroom. So right here is just a mirror, period. And then this is just my sink of all my things. And then down here is a cabinet. And down here I just have cleaning stuff down here. That's all. And then here's a shower linen that came with the room, but I took it off because I don't want to use that. So I just got my own. And then I just have my trash can down there. And then over here is tissue, towels, the toilet, and and I have this over the shelf, well, this shelf rack that goes over the toilet. I got this from Walmart, but up here I just have my bath towels and a shower cap, and then my face, skincare stuff, personal stuff, tissue, and spray and more body soap back there. And then over there I just have a toilet brush and everything. But yeah, that's my bathroom. And then right here I just have my robe behind the door. Forgot to show y'all. And then that's a little scent thing I have in my bathroom. And then this right here is actually the light. I don't know how I forgot to show y'all the shower, but this is a shower. My cute shower curtain that matches the rugs. And then this is my shower, pretty basic and everything. So, and then that's my bathroom. And then over here is my closet. I just have my clothes on the top shelf. Majority are like winter clothes, even though winter is almost over. But these are my clothes. And then down here is more of my clothes. That's dirty laundry, my umbrella. I got a ladder back there. And then down here is some extra towels. My shoes are under there. I just have these wipes right here. I put that right there because just in case I accidentally like swing my door open, I don't want my mirror to crack. So that's why those are down there. Have some shoes. I'm out for my bathroom. And then I have some more shoes in this container down here. So that is my closet. Then over here, I just have a board calendar with all my classes and important dates. Then right here, I kind of have like a somewhat kitchen little area shelf thing. I have my toaster oven, some plates, bread, more kitchen utensils and stuff down there. Then I have my vacuum cleaner right here. Then over here to my desk area, it's kind of a lot of stuff, can't lie. But right here, I just washed some dishes, so I just have my dish stuff right here. I lay my dishes over here so they can dry. Have a little towel that I use to get stuff out the toaster oven. Right here is just my mirror. And then I have this witch hazel for my face, my conditioner water for my face, my comb. This is just a key for my extra card. This is just an extra key for my car. And then my remotes for the TV and just all my makeup stuff and everything. And then this is stuff for the game. Then my keys over here, and a outlet thingy. Have my water spray. And then over here, I just have a picture, some pictures. These are my roommates from last semester. This is my mom and dad, and then that's my boyfriend right there. Then up here, I just have the TV, watching CNN. I watch the news all the time, okay? And then I have the Xbox. Then I have some cookies that really need to be moved. Then over here, I just have some pens and markers, staples, my Apple Watch, my speaker, some clips, and some thumbtacks. And over here I just have some stuff, my eyebrows, some plants, a little quote sign that says, "A negative mind will never give you a positive life." And over here I just have my makeup. I'm really not wearing makeup since I wear masks and stuff all the time. And then up here it's just a lamp that actually needs to go back home. Then I have some paper towels, and yeah, that is pretty much my desk. And here I just have random stuff in here, to be honest. Then down here in this cabinet, I just have more cleaning stuff. And then here's my chair. It's actually a rolling chair. And then over here, I just have more random stuff in these drawers. I just have a bag. And then down here is just more random stuff, like essentials and everything. And yeah. Over here, I have my ring light for when I do my YouTube videos. Then I have a lamp. And then these two little pictures my mom made me for my room. Then I just have some chips in this corner. Have my box for my smart clock. And here's my smart clock, very nice. An ottoman with some extra stuff in it. And then I have a rolling cart with more extra stuff in it, more essentials and personal items. And then here's my trash can. And then over here, I just have more things. Really, I just have nowhere to put them. This is just my purse, my extra nose rings, and then my container where I used to have my skincare stuff in. And then my water bottle, my AirPods, my Vaseline. And down here is more like food stuff, like drinks, you know, juices, plates, little snacks, my condiments and everything. And then down here I have my hair stuff, some extra face mask, a room spray, first aid kit at the top, and then my more personal items down here. And then down here is my rug. It's actually like pink. It might not show on camera, but I got this from Target. And then the most favorite part of my room is my bed. These are some fairy lights I got from Amazon. These are actually a 2-pack from Amazon. And then I have a K. My mom actually made this K for me. And then here's my bed. I don't have a headboard this time since my headboard was a twin and I didn't order a new one because my parents said I didn't need a new one. So I do have like a giant pillow behind my bed so nothing will fall behind it. But yeah, that's just my bed right there. No headboard or anything. And my comforter actually came from Target. And over there is just a blanket and my bonnet. I'm actually supposed to hang some lights. Not some lights. I'm supposed to hang some pictures on my fairy lights. I should have did this before this video, but I did not. Then over here is just some more wall decorations. Here's a painting me and my boyfriend made. And then another picture right there. Then here is the AC. I can actually control the AC myself, so that's good. And here's another light. Ooh, yeah, here we go. And then over here is like my other part of my kitchen area. I just have an air fryer, and I have some cereal, and then I have my microwave, and then I have my freezer. Not too much in there. And then I have my fridge. I have nothing but like juices and cheese and stuff in there, milk and everything. But that is my fridge. And then right here I have a bed desk. I think my mom got this from Ross, but it's a really cool desk. And yeah, I forgot to show y'all under my bed. Under my bed is my dressers. This is like my underwear and socks. These are my PJs. And then up here are some tops and shorts. And then down here are also some more tops and shorts. But yeah. Oh, and down here I just have some leggings I actually need to put in my drawer. Have some water, some more snacks. And then I have my book bag over there in the corner. So yeah, that is pretty much my room. My room is kind of small, so there's like not too much to show, but it's still nice at the same time because I get my own personal space and everything. And I do have more space from my last room, so I really like this room way better. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.
I ain't your man.